Hey, welcome to Bar Z. My name's Stan, and today we are back at the Toolmiser. But you know what? I'm gonna take you around. We're gonna energize for the first time today. We still don't have a trench put in, but Andrew's bringing out a power cord, and we're just gonna power up the sub panel out in the shop, and we're gonna power some stuff up, and I don't know, let the smoke out of the wires. Maybe we'll leave the smoke in the wires, but let's find out. Let me spin the camera around, and then we'll take a look and see how everything's going. All right, got 4 people watching. Welcome. Let me try to spin around here. There we go. I just rolled over here in the white truck today. Few tools, and I'm gonna let the camera kind of adjust. The power is down to the shop right now, and all he's got is this twist lock power cord. I'm going to take you around the whole show you everything. But we pulled wire the other day, and we just got done doing makeup in here, and we got all these breakers put in. We couldn't find the label maker. Andrew couldn't get his label maker running, so we had to make our own labels. And so we landed breakers, got all the grounding done, got all the neutrals landed. Everything's done inside that panel. And like I said, we're just temped in for testing here. So that's all finished, and I'll walk you around the whole shop. We did finish conduit work the other day. This is kind of a continuation of what we did last week. But there's the conduit we did around the shop. And then it does drop down. We got 240 volt outlets, 30 amp outlets there. And then over here we've got 110 volt outlets. So by each side of the window, we've got 2 different types. Andrew was working on some lighting. He's got his old temporary lighting in there that's actually going to be coming out. And all he's done is put in these little LEDs for now, just to get through an inspection. Then he's going to come back and do fluorescence later out of those boxes. And we made sure our we put 2 circuits in and make sure we got plenty of headroom for the larger light fixtures later. But all he did was put in some cheapy sockets with some little LED screw-ins. Those are 100 watt equivalent, but they only pull 0.1 amp a piece, those little screw-in LEDs. So he did manage to do those, and just so he's got some light in here, you know, and it'll get him through his inspection so he can afford to buy more fixtures. And last time you saw us, we were working back in this corner here. Hey, Tony. Thank you, Tony. It's looking good. Yeah, I agreed. And he actually did quite a bit of the work. You know, during the weeknights and stuff. Hey, Abdul, how you doing? And so he's got his 240 volt 30 amp there. And then he's got his 110 20 amp over here, and that is all the way around the shop. Hey Dale, how's it going? And then over here on the columns we got our 230 volt 30 amp there, twist lockers. We did stub through the wall with that piece of flex. He's got a camper trailer, so we got a 110 volt 30 amp outside for the camper. And there's his old electrical system. What do you think of that? Oh, I don't even want to walk on that. Thank God it's de-energized. And so we got more 110 there. And I'll take you up and show you some more of the pipe work. You ran around the shop here, and this is kind of the end of the line. Got over here, and again down by the window, each side of the window, 240 volt. And then there's his 110 over there. And look, he's already got stuff plugged into it. Good Lord. And the lighting over here by the man door, we ran 2 lighting circuits. So he's going to be able to do half the shop. He can light it up if he's only working on half of it, or he can burn the whole thing if he wants. So he's got 2 lighting circuits there. And we did it in left and right halves of the shop. And he's still got to take down all that temporary lighting. All those stringers still got to come down. But you can see, here I'll zoom you in right there. he just bought the cheapy little plastic sockets with the LED 100-watt equivalents and stuck them in there. But God, those things are just dirt cheap and they don't pull anything for power. Literally, we did the math. It was 0.11 amps per light. So if he was going to stay with these, we could have got 50 of them on one circuit. But that all runs over. You see it running overhead and then going down to the panel. And there's Andrew. Hey, Andrew.
What's happening?
You got 20 people watching you.
What's up, gang?
What are you thinking of this? You've been doing a lot of homework, huh?
I am. It's been a learning experience, but I like it.
Okay.
It's done.
Well, you ready to plug that in?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm going to go turn off these light switches. All right. Oh, they're already off. Okay, I'm good. Then plug that thing in. If there's going to be a spark show, it's going to happen now.
All right,
I'm going to stand way back here.
Ready?
Good. Hit it. Oh, okay, no sparks. That's good.
Sparks. Good start.
We're off to a whopping start. Let's turn on some breakers. Okay. Well, I just powered up the receps over there, so okay, good. Go hit your light switch. Yeah, hit it. Okay, you got outers there and there. Now hit your inners. Okay, those are your inners. Okay, so that's half your shop, half and half. That's cool.
Good start.
No shorts so far. You still got more fixtures to put in. Those wires are just hanging out there. So he doesn't even have the little sockets in yet and stuff. But it was good enough to test. Those wires aren't touching anything, so we're good. He's got a few more of those to go. And I hear some fans and things turning on over there. He's got a fan running.
Yeah.
Now, what size breaker is this cord on? Is that on a 20 or a 30?
No, it's 30 amp.
30 amps, so we can run a few things without blowing that main. All right, where's my voltmeter? In my back pocket. Here, come film for a while. You be my cameraman.
Good for something.
Panel looks really nice. You get comments over here. You can just touch it and then kind of scroll through comments. I'm gonna let Andrew be my cameraman for a little while. We're gonna use a Fluke voltmeter. And we're just going to go around. We're all powered up. And we're going to verify that we got 240 phase to phase. So we're 238. Your voltage is solid. And phase to ground, 120. Phase to ground, 116. You're a little low there. Yeah, those should be dead equal, right? Oh, we're pulling the power
off.
Yeah. You got a load on it. Okay. 116. Yeah, as soon as you put a load on it, it's going to drag the voltage down. Deadhead should be identical. We're going to check voltage in. You said the hooked one was ground?
That's right.
Okay. We're going to go into here and poke around in there. We're going to go into there. 238. We're happy. We're going to get over here and see if we can poke around in there and poke around in here. We got something? 120 solid. Yeah. All right. We're happy there. And we're going to get in here, 238, solid. Holy crap, look at all these machines. This is like Dale Derry's place. Dale Derry's watching, by the way.
What's up, Dale?
What's up, Dale? Oh, man.
Oh, yeah, good luck with that.
What is...
Oh, yeah.
Dude, you got way too much stuff in here.
Yeah. I'm saving up for next year's bash.
Oh, nice. All right, 120 again, we're good. So we're happy. We sneak out of here and get over here. Ask Dale how his move's going.
That's right, Dale.
Yeah,
How is that coming along?
I think he's all moved over.
I saw some little teaser with a bandsaw or something. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Rolling downhill. Okay, you got a solid 120 there.
I hope that was trick photography.
Well, Dale's really good at his editing, so yeah, that was probably some trick photography. So you got a 240 volt here. So let's see what we get. Yep, 237 solid. Phase to ground 117. Phase to ground 119. We're good, good, good.
Very good.
Here's one over by your desk. $120 solid. All right, let's go hit the other half of the shop.
Be nice, Dale. It's hot out here, man.
What's he saying? Is this hey? Is
He
this
doesn't
shop
like-
air conditioned?
He doesn't like my steel-toed Crocs.
Oh yeah. 120 solid. Yeah, we don't all get to live in Half Moon Bay there, Dale, with built-in air conditioning from the ocean. 237, good. 110, good. 230, good.
Squeak.
Can you fit through there? Come on, man, suck it up. Another 120, well, 116, good.
Cool.
What's this one all about? Where's that going?
It's already going there, splitting off 110 stuff around the corner. You can unplug it.
Well, is it working?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, then you're good. And you already got a bunch. Look at the
Yeah, it's
good
already
bunch of
happening.
stuff you got plugged in there.
It's happening.
And it's already working.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're golden. We got two more over
Good
here.
there.
Come on, get in there. There we go. Yep, 230. And 110. All right. We didn't
Think
screw
that's
up any of
good.
the plugs. We got all the right voltages in all the right places.
You got one more left to check.
I ain't going up there. All right, I'll go up there.
No. Oh yeah, there's a ladder actually. Safety third.
This is great. Thanks for this.
It's nice and cool up there too.
Yeah, I mean, you put this in such a convenient location. Are you going to take my word for it that it's 110?
Yeah.
You got 110. You're good. All right.
Nice.
So you got all you're all powered up. You're burning a few lights
Yeah.
where they're supposed to be. You need to go
Yeah.
around and finish that up and get all your temporary lighting out of here.
That's it. That's my homework for tonight.
Yeah, you could be burning the rest of these lights by tonight. For
Absolutely. That
You
is
happy?
that is the plan. I'm very happy.
Sure. Do I have to come back for anything now?
Just for the barbecue.
Oh, now you're talking. We're going to have a barbecue goat?
Hell yeah. I got a couple out there that are pissing me off to the point where they're about to go.
Okay.
Just for the goat lovers out there, I'm just
Hey,
kidding.
that was awesome. You almost got a really good one there.
Yeah, nothing ever happens on camera, right?
We'll rename the video Stan Goes to the ER. All right. Okay, guys. We've been watching the comments. Anybody saying anything? Troll food. Andrew, those shoes don't look safe. I have half the shop moved, but nothing wired. Okay. Tony says time for inspection. Jeff says it looks awesome, guys. Thank you guys for all that.
You still got to pull conductors from the house, the main service.
Drew Bradley says the panel looks really neat and uniform. Nice work. I can't stand walking into a nasty panel. Drives me up a wall. Paul says looking good. Any shorts? No, we just checked. No shorts and everything's working good. Jim's video said I had 28 of the 60-watt equivalent LED lamps in a 16 by 20 garage. It was like a damn operating room. Yeah, those things are economical and you can put so many of them on a circuit. Trip hazard, liquid tight going outside. I think we're all caught up on Envy the setup, lots of good steel. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here to look at. The main thing is he went out and rented this thing. He went out and got himself a Zoom boom just to get up.
Yeah.
It's an articulating boom. And these things are got all kinds of scissor monkey motion to them. That back scissors straight up and down. That main boom booms up and down and telescopes in and out. And then it's got what they call a jib out here. This jib goes up and down. And then it also pivots at that joint right there.